I want to say a few words in praise of President Trump's nomination of Judge Neil Gorsuch to the Supreme Court of the United States. I first met Judge Gorsuch several years ago when I met with several circuit court judges for a dinner. He was and has been impressive. Judge Gorsuch is an admirable choice to be America's next Supreme Court justice. His many years of dedication to the law and service to America's judicial system clearly qualify him to serve as on America's highest court. His work itself speaks highly of his understanding of the Constitution and the values that we as Americans hold dear. Mr. President, let me say that again. In 2006, this body was so confident about Neil Gorsuch, his character and his qualifications to serve as a federal judge, yes, a circuit court judge, that he was confirmed without anyone even asking for a recorded vote. I consider that unanimous. As he said recently at the White House, shortly after his nomination was announced by President Trump, quote, "A judge who likes every outcome he reaches is very likely a bad judge, stretching for results he prefers rather than those the law demands." I love that quote. As a uniquely exceptional scholar and respected jurist, not to mention a fellow Westerner and avid outdoorsman who shares my love of fly fishing, he's the kind of man I trust to serve America on the highest court in the land. I've met Judge Gorsuch, and he has a lot of support from folks in Wyoming, in the Wyoming legal community, and from both parties. I got calls from people of both parties saying, he's the one we want to put up. So I know and I trust those people, and I know and trust Judge Gorsuch, and I value those people's opinion. I believe he has a good understanding of the legal issues that matter to people in my home state. Mr. President, I'd be remiss if I didn't state my disappointment in all the unproductive distraction about this pick by activists bent on politicizing the judicial nomination process. If their rhetoric and antics in the last days and weeks have told us anything, it's that no matter who President Trump nominated to fill this spot on the Supreme Court, they would have objected. No matter how learned, how objective, or how many hundreds of hours a nominee had already spent on the bench.